Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for this episode, that's cool amazing part right here, and basically what this is a memory foam pillow, and this is not like a normal memory foam pillow. If you can see, this is the cervical pillow that has a lot more functionality on here that's different than your regular memory foam pillows. So you can see on the package right here to tell you guys some of the specs that's on here. But first thing first, I'm going to open the product to show you guys what's included inside first. Alright, so when you first open it up, you guys can see that is basically what it looks like. Let's take it out. So when we take it out, you guys can see that this is basically what it looks like. So it's all nicely compressed. But let's open it up and then show you guys how it looks like when it's fully expanded. So you can see this is basically what the product looks like before it fully expands. So they do have a little zipper compartment right here where you guys can actually take out the product and throw it into the washer to wash it if you guys want to. But if you can see on the product, it definitely expands quite fast. And the cool thing about this pillow in particular is the fact that the way how they design it, they have a lot of different support for different parts of the actual pillow. If you guys are an arm sleeper, you can definitely put your arm right here on the side right here. And then for this part right here and this part right here, if you guys are a side sleeper, you can definitely sleep on the side right here, and that way you actually get support on here and here for your shoulders. And then the way how to design this part right here, it definitely gives you guys that support for your head area, so that way when you guys apply pressure onto it, it actually evens out. But definitely one cool thing about this pillow is the way how they design it. It actually feels really nice and very soft, especially for the material that's on here. Same thing for the back side right here. And because of the material that they use on here, it definitely gives you guys that cooling effect as well. So that way if you sweat a lot or if it's really hot, you don't have to worry about it because of the material that they use on this fabric right here. But definitely using one of these pillows is super helpful for you guys to avoid any kind of like neck pain, back pain, or whatever, which is super awesome, especially because of the way how they design right here that I keep mentioning. And definitely overall the product, especially in the middle part right here, they have the breathable option as well, so that way actually gives room for it to like breathe. So that is basically everything that's on the product. Let me actually show you guys what the inside looks like real quick. So I want to open up the zipper compartment right here in the back. Alright, so you can see that this is basically what the inside looks like. They do have a little button right here that's secured in the front part. If I pull it open, you can see that this is basically what it looks like. So they actually have two covers right here. So one layer right here and one layer right here. And inside this layer is the memory foam material, which is super nice. But let me actually put this back together and then show you guys what it actually looks like when we actually put our head down here. Alright, so we just lift it back up. So basically when you guys are sleeping on the product, what you guys want to do is just lay on your head right here. So something like this. And then see how my head just completely submerged into this little hole or this spot right here. So that's why they made this part right here. So that way it actually feel really comfortable, but your head will sink in so that way you can get that support. And then see when I actually lay down on here, my shoulder right here, even when I'm not laying down, it definitely has that support on this part right here and this part right here on this back as well. And one thing that I just noticed, if you guys look throughout the product right here, if you guys see those little dots throughout the product, those are basically little massage nodes. So that way you can actually feel kind of like a massage when you guys lay down on here, which is super awesome. I've never seen any pillow that has that option, which is very unique. But basically when we lay down, it actually feels really comfortable. It's actually a lot more comfortable than your normal pillow, obviously, like your traditional pillows. But this is basically what the overall product looks like once we fully expand it. If you can see, it looks awesome. But now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product in particular, I definitely have to say that it's actually really worth it compared to like a lot of traditional pillows and also memory foam pillow. But this overall product actually looks amazing and feels amazing and just literally so comfortable. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.